Welcome to the Phone Transformer YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into how to change the icon size color on your Android phone, step by step. If you want to keep transforming your phone experience, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. Step 1. Grab your Android phone and open the settings. Step 2. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find the home screen option. It's usually nestled among other display and customization settings. Step 3. Now, give home screen a tap to open up a new set of options specifically for personalizing your home screen. Step 4. In the home screen settings, keep scrolling until you see icon size and click on it. This is where you can adjust how big or small your app icons appear. Step 5. Next, it's time to add a splash of color. Look for the background color option and give it a tap. Step 6. Here's the fun part. Choose your desired color for the icon background. Go ahead, pick a color that suits your style. And that's it. You've successfully changed the icon size and color on your Android phone. Thanks for watching.